we are doing a household restock of our necessities and going to the store to find everything. There's a couple things that I ordered already from Amazon that I wanted like more of refills of. And then there's other things that I'm just gonna get from the store and probably grab a couple groceries while we're there. I've been meaning to do this video forever because we've been running out of stuff for a while, but I've just waited to do it all at once, which is either more fun because it's out of the way or less fun because you feel like you're spending more money because it's just all at once. Sometimes I either wrap them on me if I need like a whole cart or put them in the stroller and just put stuff in the undercarriage if it's not that much. We're mostly looking for refill items so we don't have to do this again very soon. Luca loves going to the store more than anybody I know. He loves looking at everything, so that's one of the motivations for going to the store is it's free entertainment for him. We're gonna go to Walmart because they're the most inexpensive, I feel like, and then when we get back home we'll do an actual refill of everything. With the stuff that we got from the store and some of the stuff we got from Amazon. Here is some of it. I'll show you what I got and then we'll refill and put everything back where it belongs. So first we got some kind of obvious stuff like trash bags, dish soap. I accidentally got the Strawberry Fields one. I didn't notice until I got home. It does smell like strawberry, sort of. It smells like a strawberry lollipop that's like super artificial and fake, which it is, of course. I got some Brillo pads for the stove and tougher stuff on pots and pans. Next one isn't really a restock. Toilet scrubber, really glamorous and cute and lovely, of course. We already have one for one bathroom, but we don't have one for the other. So I figured I would just pick that up while I was out. And with that, I got toilet bowl cleaner for the other one. It's another first time purchase, not really a restock, but we have regular Scrub Daddy sponges. And my partner always talks about wanting to use one of these because we have one for baby bottle. So I figured I would surprise him with this. Really lovely gift, you know. Being an adult in a relationship is just glamorous. Next thing we got is floor cleaner. The next thing I got was a hand soap refill. We're running low on hand soap everywhere, so I got a little refill. We got the rainwater scent. It sounded like it would be good. We're gonna open this up. We're getting into some of the stuff I got from Amazon. So we got an ammonia-free Windex. But I wanted to get an ammonia-free because we've been working on switching over all of our cleaners to more baby-friendly, pet-friendly, healthier, safe options. All right, the next thing we got is a refill of the Myers multi-surface cleaner. It's a concentrate, so I'm pretty sure I have to mix this with water. Yeah, it does. So this should last a while. It says it will make 5 times of this. The next thing I got was these toilet cleaners. You just like put it on like the side of your toilet and it should keep them cleaner. I've never used these before, but while we're at it, we might as well. We'll see if it works. It was only like $3 on Amazon, so if not, no problem. The last 2 things I got from Amazon aren't really refillable restocking items, but it was my attempt at making the kitchen and our areas a little bit more pretty for me. So I got 2 glass spray bottles and then soap bottles with the little pumps so we can use the refills instead of buying a new little pump every time. So it'll be a little bit more eco-friendly but also a little bit easier and hopefully cheaper that way. But I guess we'll see how long these things last. So let's unbox this now. So both the bottles are 16 ounces. This is just what they look like. So that was everything we got. Let's get into refilling everything and putting everything where it belongs. When I started reading the directions for this ratio that I could have also used this as floor cleaner, which would have saved me from having to buy a floor cleaner at the store since I wanted a non-toxic one anyhow. Also, putting these labels on is always way more stressful than it really has to be. watching. That was all I had for this video. I feel better after a much needed restock of the house, and now I'm not looking at empty bottles anymore. I may get more of the pump bottles and spray bottles or some sort of something, just so there can be less of the plastic and I can just start buying refills for everything. The next video will probably be a closet clean out and organization video. The closet's just filled with a bunch of storage, but it's not very functional, so we're gonna see if we can make it more functional and fit a little bit more things in there at the same time. So that'll probably be the next video. Stay tuned if you're interested, and I'll see you guys next time.